What's up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to Dual Sport Outdoors. So for this video, we're just going to put the Victorinox Swiss Tool through some work out here in the bush. I already have a video showing all the tools and everything that are in it, so we're going to use a few of those over here just to see what she'll do. So let's have some fun. First up is going to be the serrated blade. Mostly because I haven't carried this in so long, I don't remember what's where on it. This serrated blade is angry. And it'll definitely create some shavings for you. File all. That will certainly drill. And of course, I will pull this all up and show it to you. How about the saw? Yeah, super bitey, typical Victorinox. Definitely gets the job done there. It's got a chisel on it. The only multi-tool I know of that does. So I could use that to kind of start digging out some stuff for a spoon bowl or whatever. Don't even know if that'll show up on video, but we'll see. And plain edge. Now I do wish Victorinox would make this with a MagnaCut blade just to keep up with Leatherman's MagnaCut stuff, except I bet Victorinox would actually heat treat it. So, anyway, this is just a quick video, so there we go. Spot I was digging out with the chisel, serration feathers, plain edge feathers, saw spot, and then if I chose to, with that spot that I did with the saw there, I could at that point take my plain edge or my serrations and very quickly turn that into a 7-notch. So there you go, guys. Now the sheath on this, as you saw in the black mat video, if you've seen that, if not, go check it out. The sheath on this kind of sucks, so I carry it in a Tale of Knives leather sheath. Anyway, guys, please be sure to thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, use the affiliate links down below, and I'll see you next time.